Good morning, students. Today we are going to study how to create a square root spiral. So the very first thing to draw a square root spiral, what we have to do is just draw a line segment AB of unit length. I have taken here 2 units for reference so that the diagram will be easily visible to you. So the length of line segment AB is 2 units. Now with taking B as the center, what we have to do, we have to draw a perpendicular line using compass, and then we have to draw an arc of unit length. Whatever length we have taken here, I have taken 2 units AB, so I will take the length of the arc as 2 units and then cut this line. I am doing it directly. You have to use the compass to make a perpendicular line. This is the perpendicular line. Now we have to cut an arc of measure equals to AB and then mark a point C here. So we are going to draw it. Now we have marked a point C over here. Now join all these 3 points to make a triangle. So here it is. This is the triangle. See students, this is 1 unit we have considered, and this is also 1 unit. So using Pythagoras theorem, what we know, that perpendicular square plus height base square is equals to hypotenuse square. So 1 square plus 1 square, that is equals to 2 square, is equal to hypotenuse square. So what is the measurement of hypotenuse? Under root 2. So what we have to do is just extend this line segment, and then what we have to do is just take the measurement of AC and then mark an arc over the line segment to represent under root 2 on number line. Okay, first I'm going to explain how to do is we are going to extend this line segment AB to some point, say let us suppose it is D. So look, we have drawn an arc over here, and this is the position of under root 2 on this line segment AD. Similarly, what we have to do is we have to again draw a perpendicular line at this point. I am doing it directly. You have to draw with the help of a compass. So I am drawing it right here, and you have to, this is the perpendicular. Now taking the measurement same AB, we have to draw an arc at this, from this point to this point, and name the point, and then again make a triangle. So I hope you understand. What we are going to do is, see, this is under root 2 diagonal. Now here we are going to, what is under root, this is under root 2, okay, or 2 square plus this is 1 square. So again with the help of Pythagoras theorem, this is right angle triangle. Applying Pythagoras theorem, what is the length of the hypotenuse? Under root 2 square, that is 2 plus 1 square, 1, 2 plus 1, 3. So the length of the hypotenuse will be under root 3. See how we are going to do. Now we are joining these 3 points to receive our right angle triangle like we did in the first step. Okay, here it is. So here this is hypotenuse, and what is the length of this? Under root 3. Now taking measurement of AF, what we have to do? We have to draw an arc on this line segment AD. So the position of under root 3 on number line is at point G. Similarly, what we have to do? Again we have to draw a perpendicular from point F with the help of a compass, and then again we have to take the unit length and then draw an arc to intersect this line. Then again name the point, join the 3 circles, and the same you have to repeat the previous steps. So how it looks, have a look. So now we are going to again join these points to again receive a right angle triangle like we did earlier. So this is the triangle, and see, this is under root 3. The length of this will be base under root 3, and this will be your perpendicular, that is your height. So base square plus height square is equals to hypotenuse square. So under root 3 square will be 3 plus 1 square will be 1. 3 plus 1, 4. So hypotenuse square is 4. So what is the length of the hypotenuse AH? It will be under root 4. I hope you got my point. Now what we have to do? Take the length AH, the measure of length AH, place the compass here, take this distance, and again draw an arc intersecting the line segment AD. So here we have, this is under root 4. Now we have drawn an arc that intersects at a line segment AD at I. This is the position of under root 4. Similarly, what again we have to do? We have to again draw a perpendicular at point H, and then you have to take the measurement of 1 unit and then intersect this line at some point, and then again we will receive a right angle triangle. So we will repeat the same step and draw an arc. See how it goes. So like this we have made under root 5 square root, under root square root spiral, then under root 6, under root 7, under root 8, 9 and 10 and so on. And these are the position of square roots on number line. Simply what you have to consider while making a square root spiral is that we have to take unit length line segment, and then at base we have to take unit length, and then at height, or you may say perpendicular distance, is also 1 unit. And what we have to do, just name the point, and from here you have to make a perpendicular line and then draw a right angle triangle. Similarly, perpendicular line here, this is also perpendicular, this is perpendicular, again perpendicular, and then what you have to do, just draw all the three corners of the triangle you have to join, and then you will get right angle triangle, and we will proceed like this only. So I hope you understood the concept how to draw a square root spiral. Thank you, students.